What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and debadge. These are just double-side tape. We're just gonna add a little bit of heat on there. For you guys trying to do this at home, please, it only takes a little bit of heat. If you put too much on here, you will crack your tail lights. Again, you will crack your tail lights if you put too much heat on here. Just a little bit of love. Soften up that adhesive on the back. Take some fishing string. Voila. Simple as that. Clean up all the debris. A little bit of adhesive on here. Comes right off. Take a little bit of your alcohol and water. Spray it on there. A little bit of elbow grease. There you go. No marking, no residue. If you have a little bit of residue, go ahead and hit it with some more alcohol, water, any type of your cleaner, and just give it a little more. Voila. Easy debadge.